Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are discussing about Python comments. So last class we discussed about editors, right? Okay, let me explain one by one editors. Okay. So today we will discuss about the Python installation first. Okay. After that we can go with the editors install process. So first we can do the installation. So Python installation is very simple. If you want to do install Python locally in your machine, you can do install. Otherwise, no need to installation. Go for the cloud. No install. Go for cloud. So that is actually Google Collaboratory. I will show both now. Okay, one is the local installation, one is the cloud. Okay, I will show both now. First, we'll go for the installation, normal general installation. General installation is very simple thing. Just open your browser and search for python.org. Just search for python.org. Then immediately you will be having option called downloads option. There you can select your operating system. Select your operating system. For example, if you are using a Windows machine, you can choose the Windows. If you are using a Mac machine, choose Mac. After that, click on the download. Click on latest version. Click on latest version. Then step-by-step installation. Step-by-step installation. Okay, I will show now how this process is going on. So I'm opening the browser very simply and selecting for what? Python.org. Step by step. So whatever the steps I written there, just follow the same steps. Go to downloads, go to the Windows, select the button, click on the button. So your file will be downloaded within 2-3 seconds based on the network speed. Based on your network speed, it will download the file. So after downloading the file, you can just open the file, double click on the file. It is trying to installing for you. Okay, so I already have Python installed. It is asking like a modify, repair, uninstall. Let me click on modify. Okay, let me click on modify. So all the things are okay. I'm just clicking on next buttons. That okay. Click on next. Modify was successful. Close. Then automatically my Python was downloaded. So once you download Python, one editor automatically come. One editor automatically come. That editor is called IDLE. Integrated Development Lightweight Environment. I already told you. Integrated Development Lightweight Environment. So this is the editor default available. Let me open the IDLE here. So IDLE, open IDLE, and you can write your Python code. So simply I will write a simple addition program kind of thing. I'm opening the IDLE right now. Okay, I searched it. IDLE, yeah, IDLE got open. So let me write a simple program addition. Okay, x is equal to 10. X got stored 10. Y is equal to 30. Okay, 30. Then Z is equal to x plus y. Z is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is an operation. That operation is going to be taking the value like 10 and 30, which is going to be stored into the Z. And finally, I want to see the Z. Okay, just to press the Z. Yeah, Z is 40. Very simple, straightforward. Let me print Z. Print my addition value is double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes, whatever you want, you can use it. Addition is, then you can format your string, then Z. So can you see the output now? Addition is 40. That's all. So in this way, you can write the Python code in ideally. No, sir, I want to go with the general mode batch. This is batch mode actually, command mode, batch mode. General mode until then you can go for the new file and create the new file and you write your values like a is equal to 10. Let me save the file first, okay? So file save as. Whenever you are saving the file, this is the file format. Whenever you are saving the file, you need to save the file as py format. Okay, so I need to save the file first Python .py. .py is compulsory. .py is compulsory for the Python file extension. So save. Now you can write your code. A is equal to 10, then B is equal to 20, then C is equal to A plus B. Over. Now I want to print the C. You can print the C directly. Okay, print of C. When I say print of C, automatically C value will be printed. Okay, save the file first. Save the file, then go to the run option, run module. Then automatically your file was executed. 30 is the output. So I already told you editor is something like environment or platform where you can write the code, where you can compile the code, where you can see the outputs. So all the things we already done with a small addition program. So this is actually local format. Now I told one more process, right? That process is, so this is actually Python install locally. This is Python install locally. After installing locally, you have to do your code. So this is the process of the local process. Now I go with the cloud. Now I go with the cloud. Now we'll go with the cloud process. So I'm just giving the steps very, very clearly. These boxes you can save. You can write down the notes later. Clearly, I'm just drawing the boxes for that. And now I go for the cloud process. Cloud process is straightforward. Open the browser. I will write down the steps here. Open browser, any browser. Open any browser and search for next. Search for Google Colab. Google Colab. Then write your write your Python code. Then run. Over. This is the simple steps. Okay, now I open the browser. Now I go with the form of collaboratory. Let me close all the things. Yeah, this is the browser. My browser already opened. Now I am trying to searching for Google Colab. Google space collab. Okay, when I search for Google Colab, first of all, it is actually showing that which drive you want to take. Suppose my drive is already setting up Google Drive setup, and the drive setup. Your file will be saved in the Google Drive automatically. Create a new notebook here. Create a new notebook. Write down the Python code and execute it. Very simple, straightforward. First of all, you do today installation process. If you want, you can download locally, or if you want, you can go with the cloud. Okay, let me write down the code here. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to yeah 20, and C is equal to A plus B over. Now C, print C or C, whatever it is. Okay. Now click on the play button here. When you click on the play button, cell will execute and automatically output will be generating. And before that, you have to wait. Why? Because of cloud. This is connecting to the Google Cloud. Some RAM got allocated, some disk got allocated for you. And there is no installation needed for this. For Google Collaboratory, no installation needed, remember. For Collaboratory, no installation needed, remember. Okay, this is the way you can write the Python code. Okay, so in the next video, we will discuss about the Python comments and variables. So please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Still, if you not subscribe, please subscribe the channel. Then click on the bell icon. You can get to notify the next videos and all. Okay, we'll continue the next video with different concepts. Every video is one concept. You learn the concept, write down the notes properly, watch video number of times, do the executions properly, practice well. All the best. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Bye. See you signing off. We'll meet in the next video.